What's up, YouTube family? It's your boy S.Craft Blends back again with another barber tutorial, and today this video is simply quick tips so that you can make more tips. I want to see you blessed. I want to see you get all that you can get, and whenever you bless your customers, they will bless you. So when you take that time to make sure that they look amazing, it will pay off in the end. So as you can see, we first started out spraying the hairline with a little bit of hairspray. Number one, it will hold those hairs in place whenever you comb or brush them down. And then it'll also give you a nice little kind of ash line. So there's this contrast where you can see a more definitive line whenever you're not wanting to push this hairline back. One of the problems that he has had is he says everyone pushes him back. He doesn't want to be pushed back, and that's because he has a nice light spot right there in the middle of his lineup or his front edge, and so I just kept that low and basically knew that with color enhancement and hair fibers that we could really change his life. And I'm telling you what, when this haircut was done, whenever I did the color enhancement, the hair fibers, lined them up nice, and then touched that fade up, he was like, oh my God, this is the best haircut I've ever had. And that's what you want people to say when they get out of your chair. Some people are so against color enhancement because they feel like, that if you use color enhancement, you can't cut. Wrong answer. I can cut. There ain't no doubt about it. However, enhancements enhance the cut. It makes them feel better when they leave, because not everybody, again, can have a nice, full, thick hairline, right? So we're going to create that for them, at least for a few days to a week, so they feel better about themselves. And if they really like it and it only lasts about a week, they'll come back quicker because they want that look. And there again, and this is an upcharge, so it makes them feel better, they pay more, and they come back sooner. That's a win for barbers. All right, so as you can see, we're using the Sean Cuts hair color card, and we are laying down the color enhancement right over the edge that we did. Now I spray hairspray again, and now this is to hold the fibers. I come in with fibers, spray them on, then I spray hairspray again, spray a little bit more hair fibers, and then I spray hairspray again. We're just kind of making that sandwich effect. I'm not scared to spray hairspray on someone's hair, because also it stiffens the hair, so whenever I come back later and clean that up, as you'll see, it helps it, just that hair pop, and it's real crisp and it just smooth. So now that I did all of that, I'm coming back in and I'm hitting this hairline once again. Now sometimes whenever people really wash their skin, or you take the time to wash their hair and prep their skin, you can get a nice ash line, which everybody likes, right? We want the YouTube photos and we want all that stuff, and it gives a good contrast. But sometimes you just don't have time to do that, or it's not in the services you offer in the shop. So there is another way. So once we get this lined up, get it cleaned up, I'm going to show you that way. You've probably seen it before, but if you haven't, it is definitely a way to add that contrast and also that nice ash look. And the customers, man, often when they see that contrast and it makes that edge pop even more, they're like, my goodness, man, my edge looks so sharp. I ain't never seen it like this before. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking like a white magic pencil or eyebrow pencil, or you can use, like a lighter color like tan, and just simply trace that outline of that hairline that you created. Once you get that done, which, look, it only takes a few seconds. If you don't have time to wash someone's hair but you still want that nice effect, then man, this is how you do it. Don't look at the fade right yet, because I haven't did the detail work. I just laid the foundation for the cut. Many times I like to lay a foundation, come in, do the edge and all this good stuff, and then when I have a better frame on my picture or an edge on this haircut, then I'll come in with better eyes and I will detail the mess out of this cut, getting it look 100% so that these guys want to pay $100. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, what I do is I come up against this line right on the edge, and then I pull down to kind of smear that white line out. And as you can see, man, it's already making it look so much sharper. It's that contrast, right, between that light and that black hair color and hair fiber that I've already sprayed on there. So then once I do that, I'll come in with my razor, and now I'm pulling the skin back like you should, and I'm coming up against that razor, or with that razor up against that hairline, and just kind of there again, you know, kind of smearing that white pencil in while giving us a nice little crispy line on there. With my man here, he's actually paralyzed, so I can't lean him back and go against the grain there in the middle. So I just kind of came down with that there in the middle. But now that the hair is nice and hard from that hairspray, not a whole lot of hairspray, but you know, enough to hold the hair fibers in place for a good long while. It also makes those hairs stiff, so I can come in and just float that blade across the top really lightly and hit those hairs. I'm telling you, if you want to make more tips, if you want to charge more, these are things that you can do. Trust me, all the people that I know that are making more than other barbers, these are things that they do. I'm blessed to be able to be probably the highest paid barber in the Tampa area, or at least one of them. Now I'm coming in. This is another little technique I use. I do a little raking motion sometimes just to blend that hair down, which the clippers are flipped over. And now I just come back in, you know, with my clippers, and I'm just doing that detail work, touching it up. And then here we go. He's got his forehead kind of wrinkled up, so you know the edge might look a little crooked, but it's good. He just got his head. But anyways, that's it, man. I hope it blessed you guys. That's some quick tips so you can make more tips. I'm gonna be doing more of these as well. God bless you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace.